Hey, good morning, everybody. All right, welcome to my vlog. This is that morning when I created the vase. I'm going to do another DIY project, and it is a textured painting. So I currently have a reprint of a Van Gogh that my mother gifted me a few years back. It's super blue and super orange, yellow. It's a printed, it's a reprint, definitely not the original, but I'm thinking that I am going to revamp it and create a DIY textured, the new DIY textured all ivory painting. Since I've done my vase and that was super bomb, I'm thinking that I'm going to do that. So, okay, good morning, guys. And this is part 2 of the canvas. So we went to Lowe's because I've ran out of Drydex. I'll take the measurements of this canvas, but it was already print that I already had. Only spent $17 on the project itself. It's still not completed. I have to add like more texture to it. I have to allow it to dry and everything like that. So I'll try to well, we're gonna have the finished product in this video, you know. But for now, good morning, guys. How's your day going? Yeah, the messy bun. It's gonna be because I'm about to get into this project. But let me think. How's your day going? Okay, so on the weight loss journey. So I'm currently on my weight loss journey, right? Because when you get in your 30s and you start having babies, the baby weight don't want to go away. I mean, it looks good, but you know, sometimes you just want to have the extra energy and everything like that. So one of my girlfriends told me about this thing called keto. Keto is Holly Berry's on. So when you are on keto, you cut out carbs and sugar, carb foods and vegetables and fruits like mangoes, potatoes, carrots, bread, rice, sugar cane products, any type of byproducts from any carbs or sugars. And you're strictly with vegetables and meat. It's a little bit different than Atkins. Atkins encourage more fat and meat, but keto encourages more vegetables, fruit. So it can encourage more vegetables, fruit, and protein. And when you're on it, you have like 3 days and you go into like this ketosis where your body's like craving everything. In order to stop those cravings, you just drink electrolyte, and my electrolyte is Himalayan salt with spring water, and that calms it down. But if you feel hungry, just eat all the vegetables and fruits you can. Eat 2 steaks if you need to, but eventually your diet will change, your stomach will shrink, and you can't eat all that anyway. But I lost 20 pounds. Now I'm more on a low carb diet, but I began on keto, and it took, I would say, 2 months to lose 20 pounds. And that's pretty good, you know. And it doesn't take away your muscle mass. So what keto does, it attacks the fat cells. Yeah, because keto attacks the fat cells, and because there's no carbs and sugars to eat off of, so your muscles stay intact. It's pretty good, you know. If you want to know more recipes or want to know more about it, you know, just leave a comment in the comment section. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content. Right now we're going to get into the rest of this DIY, this canvas, and let's see what goes on. Guys, canvas is done. Let y'all see my outfit. AC/DC shirt from Forever 21 and Shein shorts. This is the DIY vase. Remember the shop with me at home, and I revamped that vase. And this is what, you know, the dough bowl that I had. I purchased, I found at home. These are just a few books that I added. Flipping Confidential, you know, your girl loves real estate. Anyway, all right, let's go upstairs and we're going to check out this DIY texture. Okay, let's check out this canvas that I created. Definitely makes a big statement piece. Look at that. So nice. So this is the finished product. If you want to check out how I completed this look, you have to go into my YouTube. But look at that. Such a vibe. this is what I created. I'm gonna let it dry and then find out what to paint. Why next? All the colors dry.
Giving it up, coming to your race, riding it until I fall on my face, and I wake up, I wake up, I wake up. Rising up, all unburned, rising up, falling down, rising up, falling off. Step it up, don't let it fall down. Step it up. Give it up, too many times stuck. How am I gonna love forever stuck? Ooh, there is someone calling me for a race in the ring. I'm breaking it up, they're never coming up. I told you where I come from, never gonna stop.
So here I'm adding just the last little touches of dimension, that lace paint and the ivory paint, just to add like different dimensions to the canvas, because once the spackle dries it's really stark white, so you want to add some dimensions, various of whites. You can add blacks and golds and glitters, whatever your decor is, but for now I just used ivory just so that it's going in a hallway that's smaller, so it opens up the space. So here I'm adding the darker ivory to the sides of the raised spackle, just so that shadows can hit it.
I love it when you say, open up your heart to me. Let me in, let me in. I love the way you move, the way you chase your dreams. Open up your heart to me. Let me in, let me in.
So this is it. It's the end of the project, and I sprayed it with pretty